Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Skype password. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're at the app, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now in here, click on my Microsoft account right here. Now after that, it will open up a new window for you and will ask you to log in using your Microsoft account. Now after you've done so, you would be at this interface. Now in here, click on change password. Now in here, type in your current password, type in the new password right here and re-enter the new password. And after that, click on save and your Skype password would be changed. So that is how you can change your Skype password.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Skype password. Now you guys should keep one thing in mind, that changing your Skype password means that you're going to changing your Microsoft account password, because your Microsoft account is basically your Skype account. Now if you want to go ahead, click on these three dots besides your username, click on it. Now here click on settings. After that you will be in the account and profile section. Now in here click on your account right here. Now after that, it will take you to a web page. Now in here, just simply scroll down and in here click on change password on the left side. Now in here, it will ask you to sign in using your Microsoft account. Now after signing in, you will be in this window right here. Now in here, you will have to type in your current Microsoft password and here type in your new password and re-enter the new password. And after that, click on save and your Skype password would be changed. So that is how you can change your Skype password.